Welcome all to yet another video on Dr. RS and you on the science of cosmetics and personal care products. Today we are in part 60. We will be discussing wipe off cleansers under the heading skin cleansing. All this time we were discussing about rinse off cleansers. Now specifically we will be discussing about wipe off cleansers. Used to cleanse the dirt and makeup. What is used is cleansing creams. Cleansing creams are used and then applied on the face and the neck, wiped with cotton or cloths to remove the creams. The cream will dissolve the dirt and grime and it is removed. So slowly, to remove the excess creams, excess oil out, they were using wash off preparations. But subsequently, wash off preparations became the major category in cleansing. Wipe off cleansers or preparations rubbed on the face and neck and wiped off with cotton wool or tissue to cleanse skin from dirt, sebum, dead corneum cells, makeup and other detritus. Compared to wash off cleansers, wipe off cleansers keep the skin more soft and supple by preventing the loss of skin moisturizing lipids. Soap tends to remove the skin moisturizing lipids, so it can make your skin dry. All rinse off cleansing preparation, but wipe off cleansing preparation retains your skin softness by preserving the skin moisturizing lipids. However, I have written here the wipe off cleansers is to remove dirt, sebum, dead cells, makeup and other impurities. So I have not mentioned here to remove the bacteria, virus, fungi. So all those microorganisms can be removed only by using rinse off preparations like soaps. Wipe off cleansers are effectively they are to remove the dirt and makeup, still preserving the softness and moisture level in the skin. Right, that difference you have to realize, right? Wipe off cleansers. Wipe off cleansers cleanse through various mechanisms based on formulation type. Waterless cleansers based on oils and waxes. Cleanse by dissolving oil soluble impurities. It's suitable for dry skin. Cleansing creams based on oils, waxes, humectants, water and surfactants. Cleanse more by dissolving oil soluble impurities and by water and mild surfactant action, suitable for normal to dry skin. So cleansing lotion, more water to oil ratio compared to cleansing cream. Balance cleansing through dissolving oil soluble impurities and by surfactant action. And water is also there, water and surfactant. Suitable for normal to dry skin. Micellar solutions are the recent ones, just contain water, humectants and surfactant based preparation. Water content high water content. Basically remove by mild surfactant action. They solubilize the impurities, right? Surfactant and water. Surfactant solubilize the impurities and then remove through water, suitable for oily skin. Then the facial wipes. Facial tissue soaked in a water, humectant and surfactant based preparation that can be used as a wipe off cleanser tissue. Two components are there in this: product concentrate and the facial tissue. Right. So now we will go to a prototype formulation of each. Right. We quickly go through a prototype formulation of each. Wipe off cleansers, water free cleanser. Right. Cleanse only by solubilizing action of the oils. Right. So this is basically a combination of liquid paraffin, petroleum jelly, paraffin wax, cetyl alcohol and cetyl palmitate. These are all liquid paraffin and these are all the structuring agents to the oil, and plain petroleum jelly is one. This presence of cetyl alcohol and cetyl palmitate also gives some it modifies the sensories, it gives a more, it spreads very well, and after feel it will be much more softer than using a plain petroleum jelly for cleansing. So this is example of a preparation of a water free cleanser. You can use plain coconut oil. You can apply the coconut oil on the face and neck and wipe it off with a cotton so that it removes all the dirt. Right? This is a water free cleanser. Then wipe off cleansers, cleansing cream, cold cream, right? Cold cream is one example. It's a wipe off cleanser, it's a cleansing cream. One example I have given: stearic acid, cetyl alcohol, petrolatum, mineral oil, isopropyl myristate, glyceryl monostearate, self-emulsifying, polysorbate 60, polyoxyethylene sorbiton monostearate. These are all emulsifier, humectant. Potassium hydroxide react with stearic acid. It again forms a soap, that's also an emulsifier. Water, preservative and perfume. The main oil phase here is petrolatum, mineral oil, isopropyl myristate, cetyl alcohol and stearic acid. They are also emollients, right? So glyceryl stearate, we discussed this before. Self-emulsifying means it's not acid stable, it's just self-emulsifying. It has soap, 5% of soap in this glyceryl stearate, so it's self-emulsifying. So this is the one example of cleansing cream. Typical cold creams are also very good cleansing creams. Cleansing lotion, right? Of all the wipe off cleansers, cleansing lotion, more water to oil ratio compared to cleansing cream, balanced cleansing through dissolving oil soluble impurities and by surfactant action, suitable for normal to dry skin. The market of cleansing lotion in the cleansing wipe off cleanser area is huge. So they also say cleansing milk, right? They say cleansing milk. For example, a typical example of the formula of cleansing milk is water, glycerin, diluent, humectant, chelating agent, isopropyl myristate, emollient, coconut oil emollient, polyglyceryl oleate, emulsifier, disyl glucoside, it's also an emulsifier, then perfume, aloe vera, moisturizer, then preservative and perfume and antioxidant, right? So this is a typical wipe off cleanser, cleansing lotion example, and cleansing lotion market is huge. Basically, you can take the cleansing lotion in the cotton and then wipe it off, or you can apply the cleansing lotion on the face and wipe it out with cotton. So this is the wipe off cleanser and cleansing milk. Let us see some of the products, cleansing milk or cleansing lotion sold in the market. So wipe off cleanser, micellar solution, it's water, spentylene glycol, humectant, sorbiton oleate disyl glucoside cross polymer, it's a good solubilizer Glycerin, it's a has surfactant action and it's a solubilizer. Glycerin, sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate, perfume, lactic acid to adjust the pH to 4.5. So this is a micellar solution where the solubilizer solubilizes the perfume in the product and keeps it in the clean state, and solubilizer also have a mild surfactant action that can cleanse, no? The water with mild surfactant action and the humectant. So in this you can also add some actives, skin benefit actives in the micellar solutions. Now let us see some of the wipe off cleansers that are micellar solutions in the market. Next category of wipe off cleansers are facial wipes, which is tissue based. Facial wipes, facial tissue soaked in a water, humectant, surfactants based preparation that can be used as wipe off cleanser tissue. Two components are present: product concentrate and tissue. The product concentrate and facial tissue paper. First we will see about the product concentrate, right? This again water, aloe vera gel, then glycerin, citral, isonanoate, lauryl glucoside, sodium, it's a combination of surfactant and humectants, right? It's a cleansing emulsion, right? Sold as Amalgade MEC. Then preservative and perfume, citric acid to adjust the pH. So simple, mix A until homogeneous, add B, finally adjust the pH. Simple preparation. So this is called the wipe concentrate. So what happens? This wipe, the tissues have to be soaked in this wipes and packed. So for example, tissues are of various materials. So it can be non-woven fabrics of polyester or polypropylene, viscose made from wood pulp or bamboo pulp. The tissues are made up of polyester and viscose, combination of polypropylene and viscose and cotton. So the viscose and cotton, they are more from renewable source and more skin friendly. So these are all polypropylene, petroleum, polyester, these are all polyester and polypropylene, these are all petroleum based and synthetic, right? So what happens? These tissues are cut into required size and designed number of tissues are packed in a sachet. The required quantity of the product concentrate is filled in the sachet and the sachet is sealed. The tissue is allowed to soak in the concentrate, right? This is the old traditional method of making facial wipes. Recently, highly mechanized method of manufacturing of facial tissues are in the market. Basically, you get the ream of tissues which is on line cut into particular size. Actually, it flows through a roller and the concentrate is sprayed on the tissue, right? And there is another roller which squeeze out the excess concentrate on the tissue, and the weight of the concentrate that has to be soaked in the tissue is already programmed. Based on that, the roller maintains the concentrate level on the tissue, and the tissues are finally cut and packed in the sachet and then cut and sealed. So the entire process is mechanized. these days, and the mass production. No, entire process is mechanized. The facial tissue wipes. Let us see some of the facial tissue products available in the market. Facial wipes also come with the concentrate also comes with some antibacterial ingredients and the keratolites like salicylic acid. In case you need some protection, if you are having an acne prone skin, you can also use face wipes with those ingredients. To conclude, regular use of face washes or soaps on the face can make your skin dry and also can cause imbalances in the normal bacterial flora of the skin. Twice a day is a good practice. Using face washes or soaps on the face twice a day is fine. However, if you need regular cleansing, use of cleansing wipe-off cleansers is ideal. It not only cleanses your skin from dirt, but it also maintains the normal bacterial flora on the skin and also preserves the skin moisture, lipids, and maintain the suppleness of the skin. Therefore, the wipe-off cleansers have many advantages. Combination of use of wipe-off cleansers and the rinse-off cleansers is ideal. Thank you for listening to me in this session. This is what I want to share with you on wipe-off cleansers. Till I get connected with you in the next session, bye to you all. Take care. Be smiling. Be safe. Thank you. Bye.